Hi, today we're going to run through how to run PIMIC's ENC online demo. So to start off, you're going to need a user ID, and if you don't have one already, you can request one by emailing contact@pimic.ai. So to start off, I'm going to launch Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and note that if you run into any playback or recording issues during the demo, you may have to update your browser for it to work properly. So I'm going to type in the URL, pimic.ai/ENC online demo. That's pimic.ai/ENC-online-demo. All right, now I'll enter my user ID. And you may have noticed this warning at the top that says ENC results may be impacted if your device already supports noise suppression. Now, many modern smartphones and advanced microphones may come with their own ENC. And this is a problem because when you play back the raw version of the file and the ENC version, it may be difficult to tell the difference because the raw playback already has ENC applied to it. So please ensure that your device or your setup doesn't already have ENC. So I'm going to hit this record button here, and I'm going to play some noise through my smartphone. All right, so this is a test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3 with chainsaw noises in the background. All right, so I hit stop recording. You may have seen that these buttons were whited out for a bit there. That means the server was still responding with them. Now that they're gray, that means they're ready to be played. So I can play back this raw original file. All right, so this is a test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3 with chainsaw noises in the background. All right, so you heard the chainsaw noises there. I want to play back the ENC version. All right, so this is a test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3 with chainsaw noises in the background. All right, so compared to the original file, you can tell that a lot of the chainsaw noise has been removed. So by now you should be an expert at navigating PIMIC's ENC online demo. Thank you.